Hi guys, welcome you all to Decimal Studies. Today let's solve the question paper of KSEEB SSLC 2021 board exams paper. So hope students everyone have done good in exams. So before starting video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for all upcoming notifications. So without wasting any more time, let's get started solving the question paper. So students, this will help you to know the answers. Let's get started. The first question is, Constantinople was considered as the gate of European trade because it was. Options are the center for international trade routes, the only sea route, the capital of Roman Empire, the only source of resources of European. The right answer is the center for international trade routes. Next question. The first Anglo-Maratha war ended with the Treaty of. Options are Bassein, Salbhai, Allahabad, Lahore. The right answer is Salbhai. Next question. The civil court established during the British period were known as. Options are Diwani Adalat, Fauzdari Adalat, Lok Adalat, Shariat Adalat. The right answer is Diwani Adalat. Next question. The British gained confidence during Second Anglo-Mysore War due to. Options are Hyder Ali's defeat at Protonova, defeat of Peshwa in a First Anglo-Maratha War, Marathas signed subsidiary alliance, Cromwell's captured Srirangapatnam. Here, the right answer is Hyder Ali defeats at Protonova. Next question. Dayanand Saraswati realized that the remedies to the maladies of India are present in Vedas. So, he. Options are declared back to Vedas, wrote Satyartha Prakasha, started cow protection movement, started Shuddhi movement. The right answer is option A, declare back to Vedas. Next question. One of the causes for the failure of First War of Indian Independence among the following is. Options are it spread all over the country, it was well organized revolt, it had no eminent leader, many Indian kings were disloyal to British. The right answer is option C, it had no eminent leader. Next question. The first president of Indian National Congress was. Options are W.C. Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The right answer is option A, W.C. Banerjee. Next question. The one who belongs to a moderate among the following is. Options are Aurobindo Ghosh, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai. The right answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Next question. Gandhiji launched Champaran movement to support. Options are indigo growers, cotton growers, khadi growers, tea estate workers. The right answer is option A, indigo growers. Next question. Rabindranath Tagore returned his title knighthood back to the British government because of. Options are support the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, support Gandhiji in Champaran Satyagraha, express his non-cooperation against British, boycott of foreign goods. Right answer is option C, express his non-cooperation against British. Next question is, the Iron Man of India is. Options are Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. The right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. The Constitution of India was adopted on. Options are 26th October 1950, 26th August 1950, 15th August 1950, 26th January 1950. The right answer is 26th January 1950. Next question. The objective of establishing Lokayut institution is to check. Options are communalism, terrorism, regionalism, corruption. The right answer is option D, corruption. Next question. The Panchashila principles were signed between. Options are India and Nepal, India and Bhutan, India and China, India and Sri Lanka. The right answer is option C, India and China. Next question. The iron and steel industries established by India with the help of Russia are. Options Bhokro and Bhilai iron and steel industries, Salem and Vijayanagara steel industries, Bhadravati and Bhokro iron and steel industries, Rourkela and Durgapur iron and steel industries. Here the right answer is Bhokro and Bhilai iron and steel industries. Next question. The foreign policy of India is also called as. Options are foreign policy of Ambedkar, foreign policy of Sardar Patel, foreign policy of Nehru, foreign policy of Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is option C, foreign policy of Nehru. Next question. The words parliament is. Options are General Assembly, Security Council, Secretariat, Social and Economic Council. The right answer is General Assembly. Next question. The word United Nations was proposed by. Options are F.D. Roosevelt, Joseph Stalin, Winston Churchill, Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer is option A. Next question. Untouchability Crime Act was implemented in 1976 with the necessary changes as. Options are Consumer Right Protection Act, Untouchability Right Protection Act, Criminal Rights Protection Act, Civil Rights Protection Act. The right option is Civil Rights Protection Act. Next question. The main features of unorganized sector labor is. Options are migration, job security, leave facility, fixed wages. The right answer is option A, migration. Next question. Narmada Bachao Andolan was led by. Options are Medha Patkar, Sundarlal Bahagun, Kerala Sahastra Parishad, D.M. Nanjandaswamy. The right answer is option A, Medha Patkar. Next question. Invisible hunger refers to. Options are hungriness, poverty, malnutrition, richness. The right answer is malnutrition. Next question. The Greater Himalayas are also called as. Options are Himadri, Himachala, Shivalikas, Dunes. The right answer is Himadri. Next question. The highest peak of Eastern Ghats is. Options are Annamalai, Amarpalli, Armakonda, Amarkantaka. The right answer is Armakonda. Next question. The coldest month in India is. Options are November, December, January, February. The right answer is January. Next question. The black soil is highly retentive because it is. Options are extremely compact, black in color, found in heavy rainfall areas, pebbled rock particles. The right answer is extreme compact. Next question. The longest river in South India is. Options are Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Tungabhadra. The right answer is option C, Godavari. Next question. The tree trunk supported by a number of silt-like roots is found in. Options are mountain forest, mangrove forest, tropical evergreen forest, desert vegetation. Here the right answer is option B, mangrove forest. Next question. The important multi-purpose river valley project of Odisha is. Options are Hirakudu, Bhakranangal, Pampasagara, Nagarjuna Sagara. The right answer is option A, Hirakud. Next question. Shifting cultivation in India is declining nowadays because. Options are of the government policies and tribal settlements. People have now started coming out with the commercial farming. There is no demand for product of shifting cultivation. People are abandoning agriculture. Here the right answer is option A, of the government policies and tribal settlements. The next question is. The Silicon Valley of India is. Options are Mangaluru, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore. The right answer is Bengaluru. Next question. One of the preventive measures for the earthquake's effects among the following is. Options are constructing retention wall, restrict sand mining and coastal areas, developing mangrove forest along the coast, restriction on digging of deep wells and underground water. The right answer is option D, restriction on digging of deep wells and underground water. Next question. The total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year is. Options are per capita income, real national income, standard of living, purchasing power parity. The right answer is option B, real national income. Next question. Grama Swarajya was the concept of Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. When the national income is divided by the total population, it is. Options are underdevelopment, development, per capita income, standard of living. The right answer is option C, per capita income. Next question. Establishment of Kaiga nuclear power plant was opposed under the leadership of. Options are Sundarlal Bahagul, Dr. Shivram Karanth, Medha Patkar, B.V. Karanth. The right answer is Dr. Shivram Karanth. Next question. 15th March is observed every year as a World Consumer Day because. Options are John F. Kennedy accepted the consumer rights on this day, England declared the consumer rights on this day, UN declared consumer rights on 15th March, consumer education was started on this day. The right answer is option A. Next question. The Consumer Protection Act was passed in India in the year. Options are 1966, 1976, 1986, 1996. The right answer is option C, 1986. Next question. The Bankers Bank is. Options are Navada, Apex Bank, Reserve Bank, IDBI. The right answer is Reserve Bank. Next question. The Gateway of India is. Options are Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. The right answer is Mumbai. Okay guys, here I have completed all the questions. If you have any doubts or queries related to these questions, you can comment me below. So guys, I'll solve it out. If you liked this video, then don't forget to share, subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.